Okay, so now and we have to learn that how we can find out the volume of prisms. All right, now these prisms are the right prisms. All right, and we have to find out the area volume of the prism, and that can be any prism, like a triangular base prism, like you eat your Toblerone chocolate and you see that that's in this shape, right? It can be like Toblerone chocolate if it's a triangular prism, if it's a parallelogram base. So there are different types of prisms, so we need to understand then how we find out the volume of these prisms. The basic formula is same for all the prisms, and that formula is volume of prisms is equals to area of cross section multiplied by height, right? That's the formula for volume of prisms, right? So if you have, if first of all you need to understand this, what is this area of cross section, right? Area of cross section, or we can say it consider this as base area also. Okay, we can also say that we can also take it as base area. So when you consider this as base area, you need to understand this here, that if you're going to have like a triangular prism, remember we have just done the cross sections, right? I have just explained you about the cross sections of the triangular prisms. Like if you're going to cut it this way, like each you are going to cut it this way, you're going to get a triangle. Each slice is going to be a triangle, right? So that means its base is a triangle. If its base is a triangle, then you need to find out the area of a triangle first, and then you're going to multiply by its height, right? Now for example, in this triangular prism, first of all we need to find out the area of this triangle part, right? Now let's suppose if its base is 2 centimeter and the height of this triangle is 1 centimeter, and the height of this prism, means how deep is this prism, is 3 centimeter. Okay, so how you're going to work out its volume? Now for this you need to first see that the base area of the triangle, the base area, the formula for area of triangle, first you will find out area of triangle. The formula for area of triangle is base multiplied by height divided by 2. So base is 2, base of triangle is 2, height of the triangle is 1, and divided by 2. So it's 2 ones are 2, divided by 2 is, answer is 1 centimeter, right? So base area is 1 centimeter, and now you're going to multiply this base area, since you all know the formula for volume is base area multiplied by height of the prism. So height is this 3, height of prism is 3, and base area is 1 centimeter square. So you're going to multiply, for volume you're going to multiply 1 multiplied by 3, and your answer is going to be 3 centimeter cube. So volume is 3 centimeter cube. Okay, now let's suppose if you're going to have a prism which is having a parallelogram as its base. Let me draw it again. I'm not drawing it neatly, let me draw it again. Okay, so this is a prism which is having its cross section, its base is a parallelogram. Alright, so you should first find out the formula for area of parallelogram, and then you multiply by the height of this prism. Okay, so since its base area is a parallelogram, so you should know its base, like the dimensions of parallelogram is 6 and 2, 6 meters and 2 meters, and the height of this prism is 3 meters. Okay, so we are going to find out first for the formula for all of the prism. The formula is base area multiply by height. So for base area, you need to understand that its base is a parallelogram. So for the area of, first you will find out the area of parallelogram, and the formula for area of parallelogram is base multiplied by its height. Parallelogram's base is 6 and height is 2, so it is 12 centimeters square. And you need to find out the volume of the prism. Base area is now 12 centimeter, so you're going to multiply this 12 by this 3 by its height. So for the volume we will multiply 12 times 3, which is 36 centimeter cube will be the volume of this prisms. So that's how we find out the volume of the prisms. Alright, first of all you need to understand the formula for all the prisms is area of cross section, you can say, or you can say easily base area. Base area and cross section is same thing. Okay, base area multiplied by height. This is the formula for all of the prisms, but you need to understand the base of the prism. Okay, if it's a triangular one, so you will find out first the area of triangle and then multiply by its height. If it's a parallelogram base, so you multiply, first find out the area of parallelogram, then multiply by its height. And if it's a trapezium based, so you're going to first find out the area of trapezium, then multiply by its height. So you are going to get the volume of all the prisms in this way. Thank you everyone.